Dude, there's this man that keeps on saying, no Tando, no Tando, Nja, no Tando, and nobody knows me here, dog.
$1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
And we break the code. No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way, be the last one not to get the stone. No way.
Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Welcome to another vlog, baby. It's a Sunday. No, it's a Saturday today. I was working today. Oh, my hand. I'm not used to holding the camera like this. But it's a Saturday today. I just knocked off. I was working half day. As you can see, I haven't done my bed. But the shops are going to close soon. I just quickly want to run a few errands. Of course, I'm sorry for the shaking camera. I want to run a few errands and then and take you guys with. So I just wanted to start the vlog, open the vlog. Not crazy errands, I just need to stock up for the week, then come back, clean the house. But yeah, I just wanted to start off the vlog. Thank you so much for watching the previous vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in. Join the family, you will not regret. This is what I'm wearing. My mirror is dirty, but just wanted to show you guys my outfit. Yeah, cute. And these kicks.
You make me wanna throw my picture out the window. Tell MCI to cut the phone pole. Break my lease so I can move. Cause you a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call block. Tap AOL, make my email stop. You a bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, who you bugging.
Guys, it's a bit later in the day. I haven't cleaned. I've been editing my vlog and I posted it. I ordered some food because I'm not gonna cook today. Dude, there's this man that keeps on saying no Tando, no Tando, Nja, no Tando, and nobody knows me here, dog. I'm wondering who is this and why does he keep on calling me, dog? Just to find out, Gucci, I'm holding my order like this and it shows my fucking name, dog. I was like, this man, where does he know me from? Raw. Hi guys. So I just rented a Hubley. Guys, I was telling myself I'm taking a break, or I'm quitting, I don't know. It's been a week. Can't do it no more. Like at least just for like 2 hours I'm renting this baby. So yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Let's smoke, guys.
That you be calling me, stressing me, paging my beat, but you're just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you stop by. When I first met you, you were cool, but it was game, you had me fooled. 20 minutes after I gave you my number, you already had my mailbox full. Bought a pair of shoes, but now.
So I want to do my press-ons. These are the nails. Yeah, just want to do them quickly. And then I'm going to use this glue. What is it? Yeah, super glue. And that's how they are. Oh, they're falling.
Long before it all becomes, still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just
guys, morning. Welcome to another day in the video. Yo, today is a Friday and I'm on a day off. I'm off from work. I actually want to put this. I'm watching a vlog now. I want to put these eye patches on and then also have some breakfast. I'm gonna have yesterday's burger. Yesterday I had some KFC. Real good KFC. I don't know. Yesterday's KFC was so delicious. Yo. Like regularly I bought the box. What was it? Box, whatever that has the burger, the 2 wings, the drumstick, the chips, and the Coke. The Coke Zero. I don't know if it was because I was hungry or what, but it banged. These eye patches, let's on. I haven't used these ones, but they're so cute. Look, they have glitters. Oops. Guys, I want eye patches, but I want those ones. Man, I think I'll put a picture. I want those ones because those ones, they don't slip. These ones, they slippery. They work. They work. But, what? Like, I don't know what's going on. Okay, you see how they slip? These are so cute. I need to take pictures in this. What do you guys think? Okay, I'm gonna have my breakfast and then I'm also gonna have a fruit. I might have some plain yogurts as well and some water, but today is a chill day. Like I'm not gonna be doing much. Oh, I also have to cut up my pineapple before Ebola. We'll see where the day takes us, but I decided to vlog today because I'm not doing anything and I actually want to post on Saturdays now, so I will see you guys. Okay, let's eat. I'm watching the Saint Bougie vlog. Her vlogs are so nice.
I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why we both can't lay here. And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game, you know. We both can play for tonight.
It is later in the day. I was just chilling today. I wasn't doing much. Just took a bath right now. I'm actually cooking. I want to make some steak and fries because that is what I'm craving. I'm craving some restaurant food, so I was like, why not make some? So, and then I'm also drinking some brutal fruits. I like putting it in these. Yeah, I'm drinking the strawberry rouge. I don't want it anymore. Like I'm glad I only bought 2. Let's do this.
I'm yours, so deny the truth, or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you, even though it's wrong to lie with you.
Am I the only one that has a night fragrance? Okay, this is my night and day fragrance. Smells super good. But if you've come this far to the video, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the vlog. I will see you next week, okay? Next week, Saturday or Sunday. Tune in. Thank you so much for watching.